Welcome to Better Talks. Single and best morning routine that works for everyone. There are definitely principles and practices that contribute to a productive and fulfilling start to your day. Here are some key elements to consider when crafting your own world-class morning routine. Focus on well-being. Hydrate. Starting with a glass of water rehydrates your body and wakes you up gently. Move your body. Exercise, even light stretching or yoga, gets your blood flowing and boosts energy levels. Nourish yourself. A healthy breakfast provides sustained energy and helps you make better choices throughout the day. Mindfulness. Meditation, journaling, or deep breathing can help clear your mind, set intentions, and reduce stress. Prioritize what matters. Identify your top 3 goals for the day. Knowing what you need to achieve helps you focus your energy and attention. Plan your schedule. Allocate time for each task, including breaks and self-care, to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Tackle the most important task first. This gives you a sense of accomplishment and sets the tone for a productive day. Connect and inspire. Spend time with loved ones. Having meaningful conversations or sharing a morning activity strengthens bonds. Listen to podcasts or audiobooks. Learn something new while getting ready or commuting. Read inspiring content. Books, articles, or quotes can provide a positive mindset and motivation. Remember, personalization is key. Experiment. Try different activities and timings to see what works best for you. Listen to your body and mind. Adjust your routine based on your energy levels and needs. Be consistent. The more you stick to your routine, the easier it becomes and the more benefits you'll experience. Subscribe and comment Better Talks.